In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your system language on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So all you need to do is open up the Start menu and then go and click on Settings. From the left-hand side, click on Time and Language and then select Language and Region. You can then click on the drop-down arrow next to Windows Display Language, and if you already have a second language set up, then you can go and select it from the list. Now, if you don't see a second language here, then click on the Add a Language button and then just go and select your second language. So I'm going to select English Australia, and then you can press Next. You can then decide all of the different features that you want to go and install and press Install. Now, once it's finished installing, we just need to go and move this so it's above English in the list. You can do this just by using the rectangle icon and dragging it either up or down. So once you have your preferred language at the top, you can then go and click on the drop down next to Windows Display Language and make sure this is set to your preferred language. And as soon as all of this is finished downloading and installing, it will now use this as your display language. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.